proceed.
The All Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association held a public meeting today, deciding to submit a memorandum to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma urging the state government to restrict tourist vehicles from Assam and other states from accessing Meghalaya's tourist spots. The association has set a one-week deadline for the government to respond, threatening a peace rally and potential hunger strike if ignored. Meeting at Malki Football Ground, President Dinas Dole emphasized that their grievances have been overlooked for too long.
First of all, we give two opening letters to the Chief Minister. For one week, we give time for them. And after that, we'll take the second step. If this letter will not happen, anything will not get any response from the government. So the second step will take for the peace rally, and the third step will take for the hunger strike, and we'll stop for carrying passenger from, example like Shillong to Guwahati, we will stop carrying passenger. That is banned, we said. No? We will stop ourselves not to buying passenger here and there. That's it.